So hi buddies, hope you all are great. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you how you can change video format of your OBS studio. So you know this thing that the default video format of OBS studio is MKV, and it's a very good, it's better than MP4. But you know this thing that many devices like Apple devices and many editing apps that doesn't support this MKV format. So you need to have MP4. Then how you can change it? So for this, what you have to do is go to settings. Now you see this, I'm in my settings. Now what you have to do is you see this output, click on this output. Now you see this recording format. You see this, it's there in MKV. So we have to change this to MP4. Now click on apply. Okay, now it's all done. Now whenever you record your video, so this will be there in MP4 format. So there is no additional need to convert a video MKV to MP4. Conversion is not needed. Now directly whenever your videos will be recorded, it will be recorded in MP4. So this is the solution. So that's it. Thank you and bye bye. And if this video is helpful, then do subscribe my channel and please like this video.